Introducing the latest Europress innovation, our 304 grade stainless steel fittings. The newest addition to the Europress family brings all the benefits you've come to expect from our press fit solutions, with a focus on the lower non-corrosive environments. Crafted from 304 grade stainless steel, these fittings excel in general service applications such as heating and cooling, water systems, fire safety, compressed air, and general water reticulation. They feature the signature press check indicator sleeves, ensuring quality at every join. Once pressed, the sleeve will peel off, providing an instant visual confirmation of a completed join. Easily identifiable by their distinct orange colour, these fittings stand out from the blue 316 stainless steel fittings, red carbon steel, and yellow gas options. The system incorporates the unique innovative EPDM LBP seals, offering leak before press assurance for added reliability. Fast, simple, and cost-effective, the 304 grade stainless steel press fit system delivers the Europress promise of efficiency and trust. Available now at Waterworks. Visit waterworksnz.co.nz to revolutionise your piping solutions today.